Uh, Hello everyone, good morning. Maria Banga here. Maria Banga, you're so many things in one, right? Jacqueline of several trades, and I'm a hustler. I do all kinds of things. I'm all over the place. I'm becoming a celebrity. Uh, some people meet me and then they say, Maria Banga on Facebook. One person, can we take a picture? Can I hug you? I'm starting to just feel like, those people, those celebrities, right? I mean, I don't yet do red carpets, but red carpets are not my thing. But yeah, well, that is it. So, when you are living such a busy life, an active life, a full life, and striving to stay healthy and all of that. I'm just from sports, right? I did 40 minutes of intense stepping. The steps are not the best. And then I have to do 100 planks each day. That's a prescription from my son. Like, I was asking him how he got his six packs, and he's like, just do planks. And I'm like, how many planks? I can do 10. He said, no, 100. So I'm trying. So yeah, I have to take some supplements to kind of keep my energy level up, and especially at the end of the day, because when I come back home, I'm sometimes just gassed out. It's like I just want to sleep, sometimes even eating. So all of this all over the place, I do like that. Sometimes I feel like my children are missing out. That's why, I love when they stop by the office during the day after school. We catch up some there, because by the time I come home in the evening, we don't sit on the tables in the evening. I don't have the energy anymore. I used to have, but with age now, they say when you clock 40, you really have to start taking care of yourself. You have to rest some more and everything. So there's no pressure. If they come to the room, fine. If they don't come to the room, no problem. But that's why I stay when I come back most evenings. But since I started taking Floradix, this is my bottle. I got me a 500 milliliter. But I don't see why I should get 250 for 20K when I can get 500 for 30K. For me, it's better spending 30K on my health like this to prevent. I had rheumatoid arthritis. I know what debilitating illness is, both physical and mental. So I don't want to go there. So I do me prevention. That's why I work out. So I did not want to talk about, like, promote Floradix so much after my talk with the founder of Health Improvement Initiative, Maslin, last week, because I wanted to take it myself and see. It's not like I cannot see the results on her, because this is someone who had difficulties conceiving for 3 years. And in Africa, when you get married and you stay 3 years, man, after 1 year, even 6 months, once you go for honeymoon, come back, let's start hearing baby, omugo, pregnancy, stuff like that. But some people get pregnant before they even get married. So how will you get married 1 year, 2 years? I cannot even start to think about what she went through, man. But if people don't ask you to your face, you will just feel it inside you that, Mercy, what's happening to you now? You yourself, you start asking God, what have I done now? Who did I offend? Or did I not break up properly with my ex? Or up or down, So she said she went through a series of tests and everything, and at one time she wanted to, you can watch the interview, the talks I had with her. It was really emotional and it was interesting and informative. So she wanted to do a procedure to clean her fallopian tubes. I'm laughing, but I once had a miscarriage, when I just got married, and I was 5 months pregnant, and I could not understand why I'll be having a miscarriage. And back then they said, oh, maybe they spoiled you in the village, maybe let's go and see. But I said, no, I'm not going to go and see. No, nothing. And then if we don't go and bathe you in the village, you will not have another child. I was like, okay, well, let God decide, but I'm not going to no village. So, I had a second child, and then I had a third child who passed away like the day after she was born, and then I had Gabi, and before then I had Allen. So I know this journey that women can go through with all the pain of conceiving and having babies and bouncing babies or healthy bouncing babies and stuff like that, including yourself, right? If you're not doing good, some women have had postpartum depression. I know what it is. So yeah, we women, we can go through the physical and the mental challenges before, during, and after the pregnancy. It's not easy. And so she she did the test now. They did the test and then they realized that she was so anemic. Like her own was 5. I don't know how they measure it when the regular one is 17. So they gave her some iron tablets and she took them, but she was getting so constipated. And then she met the nurse in the park and the nurse said, go and take Floradix and thank me later. So she took Floradix and then she decided to now start, like helping people out. People were calling her for the advice because Adiola did a segment on her and her, her miracle babies, her success stories. And Floradix is not only for people who are looking for fruits of the womb. I mean, not only people who are pregnant who are looking for babies who are anemic. People who lose energy, people who get tired, people who forget a lot, and I think she said it could be taken from the age of 6, so the prescription is 3 times a day for adults and I think 2 times a day for children. But me, I'm taking 2 times because I don't want my 500 milliliters to finish. It's true that we sometimes grind 30k in one night. I'll be going on Friday night with a girlfriend and we might grind 30k or more. But to put 30k like that in medicine now, we really need to be sick. No, I beg. Prevention is better than cure. So I have been taking Floradix since we had that talk on Thursday. And short, I just bought my own that very Thursday, brought it home. So I've told my son that it's menstruing for menstruation because I also have some painful flows. Sometimes I used to have really painful ones as a kid, young girl. So it also helps. And seriously, that same Thursday, I just started my period. And I started taking it and my period is over today. It's not even 1 week. My period doesn't last for less than, it did not used to last for less than 6 days, 7 days. And it will flow all through. Like I will use a pad and a tampon. But this time around, just that first day I used the tampon and after that no more tampons, So I really want to recommend Floradix. And I don't get that May anymore. Yesterday when I was all over the place, I went to the Southwest, I came back. And I was able to have conversations with the kids and everything. And I was like, oh, it's time to talk about Floradix now because you yourself can say, I took Floradix or I'm taking Floradix. And I love my energy morning and evening. Indeed, on Sunday, I studied the whole Sunday from 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Left the office, came back, did something again and stuff. Sat here with the kids, up, down, and everything. And I was like, hey, sleep, come. The brain needs to rest. So this is the cup. I just feel the thing. It's not bitter. So you have to keep it in the fridge when you open it, or if you don't have a fridge, you put inside a container of water and stand it in some corner. So at least for the time being, I'm the only one taking it in this house. I've just told my Gabi that it's medicine for menstruation. So I actually sent him to bring it, or I said, give me my menstruation medicine. That's why I'm taking it now, for the menstruation and for the energy. So I'm right to call it menstruation medicine. So you can contact me, you can inbox me, and the number of H4AB is there in the video I did with her. I'll look for it and update later, right? 250 is 20,250 milliliters. 500 milliliters is 30,000. I don't know why that disparity because if 250 is 20, 500 should have been 40. But at least thank God, so I can get me my 500. I have 10 bottles and I've already taken one, so I want to take another one just to keep, because if everybody buys it, I don't know where I'm going to see it again. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. So let me better invest 60k in my health, than to go and spend hundreds in the hospital later on, plus lying on a bed, plus not being able to do anything, plus being tormented in my mind, what's going on with me and everything. I haven't said it's a cure for all, but at least it's doing what I wanted it to do for me, and it did what Mercy wanted it to do for her. And I think it can help many more people. She actually says on her website there are some testimonies and stuff. You're looking for food of the womb, and maybe you have to first go to the hospital, right, and do some tests. And if it's an iron deficiency, What do you stand to lose? As my friend Mimi will say, what do you stand to lose, Mark? Nothing. What do you stand to lose? I mean, it has no side effect. It's natural, man. It's good to know people. And if I wasn't this chaka online like this, why would I know all of these people? I knew Mercy only online. I've never seen her with my, as people say, with my naked eyes. I've never seen her, but we've really been together. A lot of, in short, like 80% of the sisters I knew since 2018, the few ones I have forged a connection with, we still have that connection. I'm such a person anyway. I keep those connections, but seriously, there are good things that happen online. Don't give up on online. Don't give up on meeting people. Yeah, there are many charlatans there, but there are good people there too. And Mercy is definitely one of them. That's my Banso bride. She's going to be laughing at this video when she watches it. But I mean, it's not just for noise making. Seriously, I really can. Let me not be greedy, but I can buy 5 bottles. I need to get one for my mom and one for my dad, so that makes 4. So there are 6 available. First come, first serve, right? Okay, and I just want to say that I also take calcium. I had rheumatoid arthritis. I still once in a while have some flare-ups, mini flare-ups, whatever, on my knees in particular. Like right now, the right knee is still doing something, but it's getting much better. And I don't just give it breathing space. Like I walk it out, I stretch it, I pamper it, I do all of that. I take my Floradix, I take my calcium supplements, and I just tell myself it go better. So with that mindset, things can only get better than to say I beg, sleep in bed and all of those. And I fight. I'm a fighter. So please give yourself a treat. Treat is not only to go and eat soya and ekwang. I'm going to find my girlfriend in Palava. Treat is not only to go and eat soya and ekwang and big burning fish. Treat is also to take care of your health in such a way. So, okay, Biko Mark. That was also my chilling down time from the exciting workouts and stuff. I push to work out every day except on weekends, sometimes even on Saturdays, because health is wealth. And I'm there at that age. I'm 41, so you start having issues, arthritis, this one, that one, da. So I watch my health, watch my weight, watch my height, watch my heart, watch my everything. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful day. All those who will be watching later, thank you. Whoever is there, I can't see the name, but I can see the eye. So I really appreciate, and God bless us all.